guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. So as you can tell by the title in today's video, I will be packing multiple bags actually. Two bags, one smaller bag and one bigger bag, because I am going on 2 trips. And so I am trying so hard right now not to pack my entire closet, and I decided, you know what, let's turn on the camera, let's go ahead and capture all of this, because I am a huge overpacker and I made the mistake of not pre-planning outfits. But yeah, so this is what we have right now. And I'm going, that's not even like, those are no outfits. And I know what you're thinking, didn't you just clean your apartment? Yes, I did. I am washing my sheets and washing everything because I want everything to be clean and like perfect for New Year's, and I don't want to have to worry about that. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is I am packing my bags right now and I am a huge overpacker. You guys are going to see that. I have so much that I need to bring with me on this trip. Let's just jump into the video. If this is something you're interested in, stay tuned, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so you saw the big pile I have right here, and I'm not even like anywhere near done. I've just been tossing things out of my closet. And some of this stuff is kind of like, Anna, why do you need this? Or do you even need this? But I have no idea. Like, you really never know. And I think that's what makes me overpack the most. Because right now, I have like 2 pair of jeans in here, and I really don't wear jeans like that. But I mean, I might. I know I want these. But also, like, what if I want a plain pair of jeans? Like a simple pair of jeans. Do I want the mom jeans? Or do I want the high-waisted dark jeans? And that's what makes me just throw everything in the suitcase. I don't know. We're just gonna pick one and keep going like that. It's greater. Okay, so I went ahead and got my other suitcase out. So one suitcase is gonna be for one trip, the longer one, and then this one is going to be for the shorter one, i.e., yeah, I'm not gonna give you guys any hints. You guys just have to stay tuned and watch. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of split the clothes up into which suitcase it should go in. This one, I mean, there are some items that I know for sure will definitely go to whichever trip, but yeah, right now I'm just going to go through and separate them. So hard when you're packing for 2 separate trips that are like back to back, because I'm sitting here thinking, like, should I pack extra pajamas and stuff for both just so that I can make sure I don't forget to like bring the pajamas from here and put it in here? I feel like that makes a lot of sense, but then I'm overpacking even more. But actually this is actually going pretty smoothly. I think I have a pretty good thing going here. I think it can all fit and it can all work out. I'll show you what I have so far. I have some like, these are pajamas, but I have like some of the nicer clothes that you all have seen before, and then some of the bougier clothes for the bougier trip with some pajamas. I packed extra pajamas because I do not want to forget to move these pajamas over here. So these are pajamas, but like it's covering the nicer clothes that you guys have not seen before for the nicer trip. And this is what I have so far. I think I'm doing pretty good. I just need to remember to save room for shoes. Okay, my shoes are over here, and I'm realizing now that this might be the dilemma because, okay, first off, I definitely need to wipe these off from my last trip, but I'm definitely bringing these. I love these boots. They're probably my favorite low boots that I own. Also, I want to bring these. I have no idea what I'm going to wear these with. Well, actually, I do kind of have an idea of what I want to wear these with, but I don't know if it's actually going to happen. But then also, I want to bring these, and I also want to bring these, and then I also want to bring, of course I'm bringing these. So, yeah. Now I just need to figure out a way to fit all of this in here. I think I can eliminate some of my overpacking by taking like some of my lighter dresses out because it's just way too cold for that. Anyway, I'm just going to move stuff around and then I will show you guys exactly what I'm doing. 1 second. Okay, I had to pause for a second and really think this through. I actually wrote down a list of outfits because this is getting way too chaotic for me. I was packing things I definitely did not need, and I was leaving out things like shirts. So I just had to like think of possible outfits, even though I'm probably not going to stick to them. It's still better to have some kind of plan than just throw in a bunch of clothes in the suitcase. You guys, I also decided I want to bring these because aren't they so cute? I showed you guys these in one of my videos. I'm pretty sure, maybe. A company sent me these, and they are so cute. So I just want to bring them, you know. Maybe I'll have something to wear them too. I have no idea, but I think they're so cute, so I want to bring them. This is what we have so far. Let me just say I am so glad I'm not flying because this is definitely not even everything. I still need to pack like bathroom stuff, you know, like face wash and all that stuff, but I am so glad I'm not flying. But I have my shoes packed here. I have some shoes packed in here, and yeah, it's looking pretty good if I do say so myself. And now I just need to go through this stuff. This stuff just came out of the dryer, and put some in here and then put the rest up. I'm done packing everything that was on my bed except for this. This is what I plan on driving in. I'm actually I think I'm just going to bring this if it doesn't fit on top. Honestly, whenever I wrap it down like this, it actually gets really small, which I'm so shocked about because this is actually much smaller than like how long the actual jacket is. Like, it doesn't even fit on camera. So the other thing I was going to tell you guys is when it comes to packing like my bathroom stuff, like my straightener, makeup, all of that stuff, this part is super easy because I just went on a trip and I never unpacked, and that's why I really never unpacked because I'm always going somewhere else. I even still have my jewelry in here. I need to put this jewelry, the jewelry I wear the most, in here, and that's basically it. And there are still a few things that are in the dryer right now. Yeah, so there are still a few things in the dryer that I need to put in the bag. And also, I can't forget about the stuff that I'm going to use in the morning, like face wash and all that stuff that I need to put in this bag. But other than that, I am completely packed. I hope this was like interesting to watch. Normally when I do these videos, or sometimes when I do these videos, I do like a try on part of the video, but I don't want to really spoil the outfits that I'm wearing to one of the trips, so can't really do that. But yeah, so besides chargers, things in the dryer, and things that I will be using tonight and in the morning, I am completely done. That's going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here tomorrow with Vlogmas Day 23. Bye guys.